This dragon tongue bean plant is too close to the edge, so let's move it to the other side. We planted 12 glass gem corn seeds, but only 11 sprouted. So let's go ahead and plant that 12th one to be symmetric. Dragon tongue beans don't like to be transplanted, so we need to make sure we dig very deep so we don't disturb the roots of the plant. Now that that's been moved, let's go ahead and plant a few more dragon tongue beans. This time, I'm not going to soak them overnight. I'm going to sow them directly into the soil. It's still pretty cold at night, and there are plenty of little critters that would love to chomp on these new leaves. So I will protect them with these clear plastic cups. And of course, in the morning, once the sun comes up and it warms up a little bit, we will remove all the plastic cups. And get all the plants out of our outdoor kitchen and into the nice sunlight. Hey, finally, one of the peppers sprouted. A Thai basil plant magically appeared in my garden bed. You didn't think my wife was going to let me have an entire garden bed to myself, did you? There's our corn finally sprouting. Look at that, we got 2 peppers sprouting now. Fingers crossed.